Hi, I'm Karen. I'm a wildlife ambassador with Bow Valley WildSmart. You know, being out in nature is really nice. The smells of the fresh air, the beautiful vistas, and the sounds the critters make. The songs of the birds, the chittering of the squirrels. Sounds are important in nature. Animals use sound for a variety of reasons. They could be attracting a mate. They could be warning each other of dangers. They could be warning you that you're too close. If you're out jogging, biking, hiking, and you're wearing earbuds, you could be missing some very important sounds. Sounds that warn you that there could be a bear eating in the bush. You're wearing your earbuds, you've tuned into your music, you've tuned out nature, and you're missing some very important sounds. So leave your earbuds at home. Be safe. Be WildSmart.